Hello dear children, we all know different types of lines and shapes. Standing line, sleeping line, slant line and many more. There are so many shapes, circles, triangles, hexagon, pentagon, and when we are repetitively use all these shapes and lines and create any design, it called a pattern. We can see patterns on many types of fabrics like mama's dress, sari, bed sheets, flooring and many more things. So today we are going to learn pattern design. Pattern design is very important to improve our motor skill and to improve our concentration. So let's enjoy. For this activity, children, we need A4 size drawing sheet, pencil, eraser and color sketch pens. Children, if you are not having color sketch pens, you can use color pencils also. Okay. First, I bordered this page. Then I made 4 equal parts of this page. Okay. So now I am using this red color. Okay. And we are going to draw leaf pattern. Okay, children. For that I am going to draw like this lines. Anyhow, children, you can draw the lines. Like this, or like this. Okay. So we all know how to draw the lines. We use this pattern in design also. Okay. And then we are going to draw petal shape. Means like this. How petal looks? Like this. And where you are filling, here big part is there, so you can draw two different petals here. Like this, we are going to add one more part in it. Like this. Okay. Here also we can draw two petal shapes, and then we will repeating the things. Means one time we drew, then two times. Like this in each and every part. Like this we will complete it. 4 times we will use, 5 times we will use, and we will complete our this whole portion. Like this you can turn it little bit, you can give curve to each and everything. So draw lines near to each other, so it will give very nice effect. Quite far, so you can draw one more line in it. See children, it is looking so nice and it's very easy pattern. Okay, so we will move ahead in another part. So in next part, first we are going to draw checks. Okay, so if possible, take measurement and then do. Okay children, so here I have taken to 2 centimeter distance, and then I made a line. So like this our checks are ready. Okay. So in each and every part, what we are going to do? First we will draw one like this rectangle or square, whatever you can do. Okay. And then fill it, and then each and every part we will draw like this lines in between. Okay. And then we will fill this edge, means this square or rectangle, whatever we are drawing now, that we are going to fill. And remaining portion, what we are going to draw? Like this line. Sometimes it will be 4 lines, sometimes it will be 5 lines, but try to make equal. Okay children, like this I am going to fill this whole square. So after completing this, we are going to give 3D effect. For that we need our pencil. Like this we are going to do where we drew the horizontal lines. Okay children. And then we will do where we did the vertical lines. And then we will merge little portion with our fingertips or cotton or tissue paper. Like this we are going to shade it. So it will give us a 3D effect. Now children, we will move ahead in this third portion. Okay. So in that third portion, first we will draw small and big circles. After that, take a scale and draw lines. Okay. Draw lines with the help of any color sketch pen. So now I will use this pink color pencil. Anyhow children, you can draw the lines. So after completing this much, what we are going to do? We are going to fill part alternative. Means here I am going to fill blue color and here I am going to fill pink color. So like this, out portion I am going to fill with pink color. Then again beside to it I will give, it will look like a chase but it is a decorative form. This we are going to fill this whole part. So after completing this, you can do border with the help of black sketch pen. So it will give amazing effect to your this pattern, circle and line pattern. So last part we will start. Exactly we will do zentangle in it. Okay. So see children, it is very important. It is very easy but observation is very important in it. So first I will draw from here. I will take this end and I will go till here. Okay. Then this end and then I will go here. Means here 1 centimeter distance and again this end to here. Then again this end to here. Like this we will continue this end to here, end to here, then end to here. Children, don't change the sequence, so it will give very nice effect. So it will till end you are going to do like this. See, such a wonderful design you can make with these lines. So children, we use repetitively lines, shapes and we colored it and we got a fantastic patterns with the help of all these things. So enjoy this activity. Thank you all.